This giant tree log will soon become thousands of toilet paper rolls.
What began as a tree has now completed an incredible journey through one of the world's most advanced manufacturing processes. Every day, this factory produces enough toilet paper to supply millions of homes.
Ok, bájalo despacio. Cuidado con la pila de la izquierda. Entendido, patrón. Bajando.
The journey begins with thousands of freshly harvested trees arriving every day.
See this deep private, that's not passing grade.
Okay, let me write that down.
How much of the stack is affected?
Check the pressure on drum 3, it's spiking. Copy that. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Before paper can be made, every log must be cleaned and prepared.
Data suggests an imbalance here. Yeah, I see it. I'll adjust the dial now to compensate.
These tiny chips are about to undergo a transformation that turns wood into soft paper.
Look at the thermal readout on the schematic.
It's holding steady now.
We should initiate the cooling sequence, just in case.
The meter is showing 4.2. That's within the acceptable range for this run.
Good. I've updated the log.
The wood is gone. In its place is a giant river of paper pulp. Next, you'll see how this pulp becomes the soft toilet paper used in
This watery pulp contains the fibers that will soon become toilet paper.
Basis weight seems consistent, but check this sample for curling. Okay, adjusting the dryer temperature now. The thickness waveform is leveling out.
Watch the consistency on the far left. It seems uneven.
I see it. Pulling a sample now.
Here we're seeing a slight fluctuation. Yeah.
I'm optimizing the drying cycle now. The temperature curve is back within tolerance.
At this stage, the sheet is still wet and fragile. Next comes one of the most important steps, drying.
The tensile strength is within tolerance. Confirmed, the gloss readings match the spec sheet. We can approve this batch.
After traveling through hundreds of feet of machinery, the paper is finally dry enough for the next stage.
Keep an eye on the alignment. The roll is nearly finished.
The calibration is complete. The depth looks perfect. Yes, this sample meets the premium standard.
The tensile strength is lower than the previous batch. Look at the snap reading.
Yes, and the folding endurance is consistent.
My data confirms the reduced tensile value.
The production line never stops. Every minute, thousands of new rolls are created. The paper is now soft, strong, and ready to become the toilet paper rolls used by millions of families every day.
Check the tension on roller 4. The throughput is consistent with the last batch.
Keep an eye on the temperature readings.
The production line never stops. Every minute, thousands of new rolls are created. In just seconds, giant paper logs are transformed into the rolls used by millions of people every day.
These giant rolls can weigh several tons, but they're still far from becoming the toilet paper you buy in stores.
The throughput on line 3 is dipping slightly. Adjusting the speed now. Looks stable.
Data shows a variance in the tensile strength right here. All right, I'll pull the last pallet and check the seals manually.
The manufacturing process is complete. Now the products begin their journey to stores across the country.
We have a red zone alert near the Rockies, Convoy 7 status.
Rerouting to avoid weather. ETA impacted by 2 hours.
Within days, products from this factory will reach stores and homes throughout the country.
Route 2 cleared.
Confirmed. Package 305 scanned. Heading into the city now. Expect arrival by sunset.
Should we get this one? It's the brand we usually buy.
Okay, grab a big pack then.
As the sun sets, the cycle completes. From towering timber to the comfort of the finished roll, made possible by the hard work of many.
The next time you see a roll of toilet paper, you'll know the amazing factory journey hidden behind it.